Hi, I'm Michael with Houston Grass, and today I would like to talk about some of our fertilizers. In particular, I would like to talk about the spring fertilizer with the atrazine in it, the weed and feed, the Nitro-Phos Weed and Feed 15510. It uses its active ingredient to kill the weeds, the broadleaf weeds in particular, the clovers and whatnot, is atrazine.
Please note that atrazine should not be used on Bermuda or Zoysia grass. It is intended for Saint Augustine grass. Weed and feed with Trimec can be used on Zoysia, Bermuda, and Saint Augustine grass.
You put it out on a freshly mowed yard or just to where it's not tall, and then after you do put it out, you water it in thoroughly. That activates the chemical to kill the weeds and the fertilizer itself. You get a good green up, and you get a good kill usually on the weeds. You do want to be careful because atrazine is the active ingredient. I would not recommend using it year after year. It could be tough on your oak trees and stuff like that. Atrazine does its job well, but it is a chemical that needs to be taken very seriously. If you have any questions, please give us a call.